In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the frame per second or FPS drops and stuttering in Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. If your game feels laggy, randomly drop frames during gunfights, or stutters when entering buildings, this guide will help you boost performance and stabilize your FPS fast. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is update your graphics driver. If you are using AMD, go to the Adrenaline software, and if you are using NVIDIA for GeForce Experience or website, go to the official website. Because remember, outdated drivers are one of the biggest causes of frame per second or FPS drops. All I have to do is install the latest driver and then restart your PC and make sure you choose the clean installation if available. After that is optimizing the in-game settings. Open the Rainbow Six Siege settings, go to the option, and then go to the display settings. You might want to turn the VSync off, the FPS limit set to monitor your refresh rate or unlimited. And for the graphics settings, you might want to take the texture quality to medium, LOD to medium, and the anti-aliasing to turn it off. Because remember, shadows and reflections are huge FPS killers in Siege. Turning these down can easily give you 20 to 40 extra FPS. And then another option that you can do is you can also turn off and disable the Discord overlay, because overlays constantly run in the background and can cause micro stutters. And the last option that you can do is go to the Ubisoft Connect and then go to the Siege properties and then click the verify files. And basically that's it for today's video on how to fix your FPS drops in Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.